Tracking pop-up views and click-through rates in Proof is a crucial step if you're looking to optimize your website's performance and understand how your visitors are interacting with your pop-ups. Whether you're new to Proof or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through exactly how to monitor these important metrics. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track the effectiveness of your pop-ups, helping you boost engagement and conversions. Plus, I'll share an exclusive way to use this software for free with some added bonuses, so don't miss out. Once you've logged into Proof, the first step is navigating to the dashboard. You'll want to head over to the pop-ups section where all your active campaigns are listed. You'll find the view and click metrics in each individual campaign report. This is where the magic happens. Proof automatically tracks pop-up views and click-through rates, giving you insight into how users are engaging with your pop-ups. For tracking pop-up views, you'll be able to see how many times your pop-up has appeared to visitors. This metric helps you understand the visibility of your pop-up across your site. The next step is tracking the click-through rate, which tells you how many people actually clicked on your pop-up. This is a vital metric because it gives you a clear picture of how effective your pop-up is at driving action. In Proof, you'll notice that these metrics are updated in real time, which is great for quickly spotting trends or issues. If you see a sudden drop in your click-through rate, it could be a sign that your message or offer isn't resonating with your audience, and it might be time to adjust your copy or design. Proof also provides more detailed insights into the demographics of the visitors who interacted with your pop-ups, such as their location, device type, and behavior on your site. This can help you segment your audience and tailor your pop-up campaigns to different groups, increasing your chances of success. Once you've accessed the data, you can analyze the results to see if your pop-up strategy is working. You'll want to pay close attention to the conversion funnel, from view to click, and ultimately to your desired action, whether that's a sale, a sign-up, or another conversion goal. If you're looking to optimize your pop-ups even further, try A/B testing with different designs or offers. Proof allows you to set up multiple variants of your pop-ups, and you can track how each one performs in terms of views and click-through rates. This way, you can determine which version of your pop-up is the most effective for your audience. If you haven't already, I highly recommend signing up through the link below to get exclusive access to Proof's features, including a free trial. With this extended free trial, you can dive deeper into tracking your pop-up views and click-through rates without any commitment. Don't wait. Start optimizing your pop-ups today and see real-time results that can drive higher engagement and conversion rates. By the end of this video, you now have the tools to track your pop-up views and click-through rates effectively in Proof. This is a powerful software that helps you understand and improve your site's engagement. If you're serious about optimizing your conversions, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial through the first link below.